super windy out today. We're getting about 26-mile-an-hour wind, although it feels like more. So we're gonna go bother Chris in the greenhouse and we're gonna see what it's like in some kind of moderate winds in a double layer plastic greenhouse. That's so nice. Okay, now we don't have any flappy flap, because what Chris did was, instead of making this the vent, now the air is coming through this, going throughout the greenhouse. So this was kind of the air exhaust to air up everything, and the one way down yonder was one pumping it in. But since we needed more pressure on this west side where the wind was coming from, we switched them. So all Chris had to do is wire it up real quick, and it works. No more flappy flap. So now it's good.